Should we start on Microsoft?
Let's
I feel
do it.
like it's probably the most tangible, right? So everything is in the cloud growth, better than expectations. And, the math was really simple going into this. They've just closed the book on their fiscal financial year. And the question still remains, when we get to the call, what does Microsoft tell us about the capital expenditure growth into next year? Because the street sees CapEx growing beyond 50%. Top line growth on Azure is 43%, give or take, ex-TAC. All the street really wants to see is that pace of growth being near to CapEx growth, right? It's a really simple equation, but going back to Alphabet, which is highly analogous, there's so much commentary here from Microsoft about traction with Copilot, like more data points that are just easy, tangible to understand about how Microsoft's AI efforts are going, right? And that's the stock reflecting that in after hours.
Is the 30 million paid seats a big deal for 365 Copilot for Microsoft?
Yes, because it's versus 20 million at the end of March. Exactly what I'm pointing to.
Okay.
The other one is, I think you guys mentioned this, but like Nadella was talking about Azure generating more than $100 billion in annualized revenue. Remember, Amazon went to that figure very early, in its kind of like growth of AWS. Then what Amazon did, they report tomorrow, but was to say this is the AI specific annualized revenues. So Microsoft's just saying more. Giving newer data points which take us beyond the simple, are the top line numbers growing beyond the CapEx growth?
Which you kind of want to get, right? When a company's spending and building and doing all of this, the more information, the more transparency, that's helpful, big time.
Yeah, I mean, again, from the press release alone, Microsoft's not saying anything about fiscal year 27 CapEx.
Yeah.
So that there's this period of time where everyone's like, okay, reading, digesting the statement and the release, and then on the call, everything could change. And that is the jeopardy of big tech earnings, and that's what's fun.